In this video, we'll talk about networks of objects. We'll learn a lot of terms and their definitions. They're the basic ingredients of social networks. Social network analysis, SNA, is the process of investigating social structures through the use of network and graph theories. Network methods can focus on dyads, meaning two actors and their ties, triads, three actors and their ties, or larger systems, which means subgroups of individuals or the entire social networks. There are two components in social network analysis. First, there are nodes. A node is a unit of analysis. Nodes can be people, countries, or organizations. They have both exogenous and endogenous attributes. Sometimes, nodes are also called vertices or points. Other than nodes, there are ties. A tie is a relation connecting two nodes. Ties can have attributes too. For example, positive or negative, weighted or unweighted. For instance, you can say a tie between two friends is positive and a tie between two enemies is negative. Also, you can say you like person A more than you like person B, which indicates that your tie with person A is stronger than your tie with person B. Sometimes, nodes are also called edges when the tie is undirected, or nodes can also be called arcs when the tie is directed. The number of ties each node has to other nodes is called degree. In the figure, node 1, 4, 5 have a degree of 1, node 2 has a degree of 2, and node 3 has a degree of 3. In analyzing social networks, researchers can examine two types of networks. An ego network is defined as the web and characteristics of social relationships that surround an individual from the local person's perspective. For instance, we can say person A's friendship network is different from person B's friendship network. A has a larger number of friends or degrees. Also, many of A's friends are also friends with each other, meaning A has a denser friendship network than B has. In contrast to ego network, a global network or complete network is defined as the web and characteristics of social relationships that connect everyone. Of course, we need to first set up a boundary for a complete network. For instance, we can say we construct a complete social network of students from a class or from a school. The class or the school is the arbitrary boundary. For instance, suppose persons A and B are from the same class. We can construct the complete friendship network of the class. Now we know when we have the complete network with A and B and their relations, we know that A and B also share one common friend. This figure shows the romantic and sexual relations at Jefferson High School, and you can see many students are connected in a large component, and there are also several isolated chains. Researchers construct this complete network to understand how romantic and sexual relation networks contribute to the spread of sexually transmitted diseases. Based on graph theory, researchers also examine different network topologies other than empirically constructed social networks. A network topology is the topological structure of a network and may be depicted physically or logically. These topologies are often used to test theoretical hypotheses in simulations or experiments. They are highly abstract and you may not find real-world examples of them. For instance, in a complete network, every node is connected to every other node. In a circle network, every node is only connected to its neighbors. And there are many more topologies. Network topologies are used for understanding some basic principles of information flows or communication interactions, and they're mostly used for generating hypotheses, and then you use real-world data to test these hypotheses.